Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews. Instant Financial Express Loan Review, a user experience dive. Here's a comprehensive review of Instant Financial Express loans. We've included helpful product links in the description below. Let's explore its features, target audience, and overall usability to help you decide if it's the right financial tool for you. Instant Financial offers on-demand access to your already earned wages, providing a unique alternative to traditional express loans. This service is perfect for employees needing immediate cash without waiting for payday. Unlike standard payday loans, Instant Financial doesn't charge interest or fees for accessing your earned income. This makes it a financially sound choice for those seeking a cost-effective solution during financial emergencies. The process is simple. Employees must work for a company partnered with Instant Financial. Once enrolled, users can access a portion of their earned wages via the app, instantly transferable to a debit card or bank account. This eliminates borrowing against future paychecks, providing a flexible and responsible approach to short-term financial management. One of the key advantages is the absence of hidden fees or traditional interest rates, distinguishing it from many high-cost loan options. The user-friendly app allows real-time tracking of earned wages. The platform's transparency and simplicity make it easy to understand available funds and access them without any hassle. Instant Financial is a game-changer for individuals living paycheck to paycheck or facing unexpected expenses. It offers financial relief without the burden of accumulating debt. However, it's important to remember that this service is only accessible to employees of participating companies, limiting its universal applicability. In summary, Instant Financial Express loans offer a reliable and free way to access your earned wages when you need them most. If your employer offers this service, it's worth considering for its convenience, transparency, and the financial empowerment it provides. For further details, explore the links in the description and determine if Instant Financial meets your needs. Explore the service further and see if Instant Financial aligns with your financial goals. Remember, responsible financial planning is key to long-term financial well-being.